नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे इनवर्स टेंजेंट फंक्शन आइडेंटिटीज एंड एडिशन फार्मूलाज. So 2 tan inverse of x is equals to sin inverse of 2x over 1 plus x square जहाँ पे x का mod is less than equals to 1. Here 2 tan inverse of x is also equals to cos inverse of 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square जहाँ पे x is greater than equals to 0. And 2 tan inverse of x is equals to tan inverse into of 2x over 1 plus x square जहाँ पे mod of x is less than 1. Here pi minus 2 tan inverse of x is equals to sin inverse of 2x over 1 plus x square जहाँ पे mod of x is greater than 1. Lastly, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of z is equals to tan inverse of whole x plus y plus z minus xyz over 1 minus xy minus xz minus yz.